Good morning students, welcome to the geography class. Today we are going to continue the chapter number 6, that is life on the earth. Students, in the previous lecture we have started our topic vegetation belts of the world. Under that we have covered our two main forests, that is tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. We have learnt their characteristics and differentiation. Today we will start our topic grassland and deserts. In this topic we will be learning the different types of grasslands found in the world and the types of hot and cold deserts. Students, before starting today's topic, it's very important to understand the learning outcomes. So let's see the learning outcome first. Student, after the completion of this video, you would be able to write the characteristics of tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. As you know that we have a variety of climatic conditions on the earth, so that enables the different types of grasslands growing on the earth. And you will be learning the names of the different types of grasslands in the different regions of the world. Next is differentiate between hot and cold desert with suitable examples. So we have different climatic conditions that prevails the different types of deserts on the earth, and we'll be learning the names of the different deserts. Next is identify the grasslands and deserts on the world map. Student will be locating and identifying the different types of grasslands and deserts on the world map. So let's start our today's first topic, grasslands. Grasslands are areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses, grass-like plants and scattering of trees. Grasslands are found in the areas of scanty rainfall, means the area which receive low rainfall, and with varying temperature conditions, means the temperature must be vary. It could be little cold, it could be little warmer, right? On the basis of these climatic conditions, we can divide our grasslands into two groups, that is tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. So the first one is tropical grasslands. They are located between the equatorial forest and hot desert in both the hemisphere. आपको दोनों हेमिस्फीयर में इक्वेटर के फॉरेस्ट के साथ और हॉट डेजर्ट्स के बीच में जो एरिया मिलेगा, that is the tropical grassland area. These grasslands receive about 100 centimeter rainfall, यानी कि इक्वेटर पे throughout the year heavy rainfall है near about 200 centimeter. तो ये जो एरिया है इक्वेटर से थोड़ा सा दूर है, so it receive rainfall about 100 centimeter rainfall. The grasses of this region are very rough, thick and tall. Campos in Brazil is the type of example of these kinds of grasslands. Now let's see the regions of tropical grasslands on the world map. First of all, we'll see the South America continent. Here you can see the two tropical grasslands are marked. The number one is Campos and number two is Llanos. Secondly, we have Africa continent, which is covering a large savanna tropical grasslands. And with third, we have savanna again in the Australia. Australia में भी जो grasslands and tropical grasslands हैं, they are known as savanna grasslands. So you'll be locating all these grasslands on the world map and you'll be shading it with the dark green color. Second type of group is temperate grassland. These grasslands are located in the temperate zone. Temperate zone represent moderate type of climate, ना ज़्यादा गर्म ना ज़्यादा ठंडा, and in the interior part of the continents. तो कोई भी कॉन्टिनेंट का जो बिल्कुल इंटीरियर वाला पार्ट है वहाँ पर भी ये ग्रासलैंड्स हमें मिलते हैं जहाँ से ओशन या सी का इफेक्ट बहुत दूर हो. So these grasslands receive about 25 to 75 centimeter rainfall. So यहाँ पे जो एवरेज रेनफॉल है वो भी कम हो रही है एज कंपैरिजन टू ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड. सेकेंडली समटाइम इट रिसीव्स स्नोफॉल ऑल्सो. विंटर्स में यहाँ कई बार स्नोफॉल भी देखा जाता है विच इज क्वाइट suitable to the growth of grasslands. So the grasses of these regions are short and soft. क्योंकि यहाँ ठंडा क्लाइमेट है तो यहाँ की ग्रास बहुत सॉफ्ट है. They are also known by different names in the different areas. हर एरिया ने अपने लोकल ग्रासलैंड का लोकल नेम रखा है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल prairies are found in North America, pampas in South America, downs in Australia, veld in South Africa. Now let's see the regions of temperate grasslands on the world map. First of all, we'll see the very important prairies grasslands in the North America continent. You can see the prairies are marked in the interior part of the North America continent. And now let's move to the South America continent. Here you can see pampas. It is located almost in the Argentina country. So you'll be marking it. And the next is Africa continent. You can see the veld grassland. The grasslands are called veld here in the South Africa country. Now next come to the Eurasia, where it is the boundary of Europe and Asia, which is called Eurasia. So here you have to mark steppes and pustas. So steppes is a very big grassland area. Pustas is little bit shorter, found in Europe continent. So you will be marking it on the world map. And finally we have Australia, where we call it downs grasslands. Temperate grasslands are called downs here, right? So you'll be marking it in the Australia. Just close to the Australia we have a New Zealand island country, and here we have a Canterbury grasslands that you have to mark in the New Zealand. So these are the temperate grassland, and you will be locating it on the world map with the light green shade. Deserts. Deserts are the third type of vegetation belt found in the world. So desert is a vast area which has less vegetation due to very scanty rainfall, means very less rainfall, and is known as or called as desert. So on the basis of difference in temperature, deserts can be divided into two groups, namely hot deserts and cold deserts. Let's see hot deserts first. These are mostly located on the western margins of the continents, where temperature remains very high throughout the year. As its name suggests, temperature is very high, and it is mostly found on the western side of every continent. बेटा अगर आप ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करो तो हमारा जो राजस्थान डेजर्ट है, जिसको हम थार डेजर्ट भी कहते हैं, वो भी इंडिया की वेस्टर्न डायरेक्शन में आता है, वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में आता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द हॉट डेजर्ट्स आर फाउंड ऑन द वेस्टर्न मार्जिन्स ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. Some common vegetation found over here are cactus, shrubs and bushes. And the third one is, some important deserts of the world are Sahara Desert. But Sahara Desert is the largest desert of the world, which is located in the Africa continent. And afterwards we have Thar Desert in India. And next is Atacama in South America continent. Now let's identify the regions of hot deserts on the world map. The first one is very important, that is Sahara Desert. Because Sahara Desert is the world's largest and the hottest desert located in Africa. You can see the Sahara Desert is covering the entire northern part of Africa continent. Now second comes the Thar Desert, which lies in Rajasthan, India. And the next is Atacama. This desert lies in South America continent. So you'll be shading all the hot deserts with the yellow color. Second type of desert is cold desert. The cold deserts are mostly found around the polar regions where the temperature remains below freezing point for the major part of the year. आप कह सकते हैं कि ये हमें नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल के एरियाज के आसपास मिलते हैं और इन डेजर्ट्स का जो टेम्परेचर है सारा साल बिलो फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट है, माइनस में रहता है, बहुत ठंडा रहता है, सारा साल यहाँ बर्फ रहती है और यहाँ का समर सीजन भी बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड का होता है. And during that summer season, the common vegetation which is found here is mosses and lichens. The main areas are the northern part of Siberia, which lies in Russia, and the northern part of Canada. So these are the areas of cold deserts. Now let's see the regions of cold deserts on the world map. Here you can see that the northern part of Siberia, which lies in Russia, and the northern part of Canada is just near the 66.5 degree latitude Arctic Circle. So it is the zone which is quite close to the North Pole, and that makes it remain frozen throughout the year. And the summer season is also very short, and it receives slanting rays of the sun, so that leads to the growth of mosses and lichens here. You will be shading it on the world map. That's all we have done for today is deserts and grasslands, and now it's time for home assignment. So in the home assignment you'll be locating the tropical grassland, temperate grasslands, hot desert and cold deserts on the outline map of the world, and you'll be pasting all these maps in your geography notebooks, and do send it to your geography teacher for checking. Till then, take care, stay safe at home. Thank you.